At the public rally of the 23rd Central Conference of the Tribal Ganamukti Parishad, CPIM leader Brinda Karat and opposition leader Jitendra Chaudhary strongly attacked the BJP. Brinda Karat said that tribal people are the worst affected by so-called development as they are losing land and water in its name. She strongly criticized the scrapping of the MGNREGA scheme, stating that nearly 20% of MGNREGA workers were tribals, most of them women. She said MGNREGA was a lifeline for the poor, introduced after struggles by the left, but was scrapped by the Modi government on the claim that poverty no longer exists. She also alleged that lakhs of tribals are being displaced in the name of mining.
आज मैं आपसे ये कहना चाहती हूँ कि अगर पूरे देश में विकास के नाम पर अगर सबसे ज्यादा कीमत अपनी जमीन को देकर, जल को देकर अगर किसी को नुकसान हो रहा है, वो है हमारे देश के आदिवासी भाई और बहन।
Addressing the rally, opposition leader Jitendra Chaudhary accused the Tripura Motha-run ADC administration and the state government of corruption. He alleged that corruption has continued in the ADC for the past 5 years, with the state government equally responsible. He said the government could still form a commission of inquiry as most ADC officials are state government employees, but no action has been taken. He held the Chief Minister indirectly responsible for the corruption. Referring to the upcoming ADC election, Chaudhary said, BJP leaders are claiming they will capture all 28 seats instead of appealing for votes and indication. He alleged of plans to capture power through unfair means similar to other states.
সামনে এডিসি নির্বাচন, সেই এডিসি নির্বাচনে ভারতীয় জনতা পার্টি 28টা সিট দখল করবে। 28টা সিটে এডিসির জনগণকে ভোট দেওয়ার জন্য আহ্বান জানাচ্ছেন না, বলছেন আমরা দখল করব। অর্থ কি? দখল মানে কি? আমরা রিগিং করব, ছাপ্পা ভোট দিয়ে আমরা ওই অন্য রাজ্যে যেরকম ভাবে ক্ষমতা দখল তাই করব। তার ইঙ্গিত কে বলছেন? মুখ্যমন্ত্রী এবং তাবর নেতা।
Other left leaders at the rally also called upon tribal communities to unite against corruption of the ruling party. A large turnout of tribals from hills and plains was seen at the rally. Political observers believe such massive participation ahead of the ADC election is enough to cause concern for both Tripura Motha and BJP leadership. Bureau Report, Fact Finder.